Alright, hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Miach. My battery is dying, so I can't spend too much time hating myself. But today, we're going to be doing math for the first time since high school. We're going to be looking at some simple problems, though, ranging from geometry to algebra. I forgot the word trigonometry was a word, but I don't know if I included that. I don't remember what it is. But first, we got 32 divided by 487. So, I know we can't go into that number. 32 can't go into 4. So that would be an x. And then 32 can go to 48 one time. And then, I'm not going to use a calculator, by the way, of course. So then I need to do 48 minus 32. 32. And then, so then, I think I can subtract 2 from 8. So that'd be 6. And then 1, so that's 16, and I bring 16 down there, not there. And I gotta subtract that. So then that would be 1. I hope. I don't know. And then I can't do that. I can't take. Oh, but then that would go the same for that. So then what I think I need to do, I think that would be right. That looks right, so I'm going to assume that's right. And then, how many, I think we do, how many times, 741, oh, we had to subtract. I think we have to do, how many times, 741 goes into 7? Or 30? How many times 32 goes into, how do I get that number? 32, how many times does 32 go into 7 go into 32, so there's 7, 14, so it'd be 4 times, it'd be 28. So then I think I put, this, I'm going to have to record some of this later, because I don't know, but this is the easy question. This is like I typed this, to get this one in, it literally said like 4th grade math. 2, so then 4 times 32 is going to equal 119. So then, how many times is that? This is not good. Okay, let's just finish it up. I'm gonna assume that goes in 6 times. 6? Oh, but I need that number. I'm just gonna assume the answer is, final answer is going to be 16. The answer was 15! Oh my god, where did I go wrong? How did y'all they got 48 here. Minus 32? Oh, so I was supposed to bring 32, but So, it's been a couple hours, but we're back. C minus 2, C minus 20 equals 4 minus 3C. Now, I remember very vividly some trauma in high school. I know what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to add 20, and then it's supposed to subtract 20. And then that gets rid of that, so it's just C equals, I don't know which number I should be adding it to. Oh no, it would have to be add, so then plus, so then I think it would just be C equals 24 minus 3C. And then I believe next what we would do is divide this by 3. And then that's going to make that just 8C. And we're going to divide that by 3. And that's going to be 8. C equals 8. That's my note. I don't know. I'm assuming, that has to be right. That has to be right. I'm very positive. I'm very confident with that. 6? But this one's the same type that we did just a second ago. It's going to be a 3 parenthesis x minus y. I was like, I don't even know where to begin. I think. That was all there is to the question. I wrote them down that way. I double checked. right? There's no other, that's it. I might see the answer, so I do apologize, but, oh, I forgot half the question. So, x is going to be 3, and y is 1. I don't know where the answer is, though. I have to go find this website. But anyway, if that's actually the answer, then I'm just a fucking idiot. But if we do the same type of rules before, we do plus y on the opposite side, then we're going to get 3y times x. So let's try it now with the numbers. So it's going to be 3 times x minus y. But then we're going to do 3 times... 3 minus 1, which is like... So it would be 3 times 2. Thought about that for a little bit too long. And then 6. But that doesn't... I'll have to... If anyone out there actually has the answer, I'll have to look it up and see. I could just type it into Google. How to solve your problem. Distribute. I know how to do it now. I know the answer. I know how to do it. Ready? One more time. We're gonna cross that out too. 3 times x minus y. Then you're gonna multiply these hoes. Then 3x minus 3y. What was the answer again? 3x minus, yeah, that's all I had to do. And I did all the, okay, anyway. Alright, so this is, I believe, this is geometry. So find the remaining side of the triangle. I know there's a formula for this, but I know we're trying to find that. I think, oh my god, if I actually just like remembered this, it would be 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. Right? So then 6, oh my god, that's good. So I've done a lot of weird videos of my first seat where I, do arts and crafts. That was the first time I ever actually got shit on my head. That's permanent. I washed my nose, so we're chilling. It's still drying. But let's wrap this up because apparently I can't fucking control myself. I think, what is the Pythagorean theorem? I'm gonna fucking get quiet for a second because I'm gonna fucking unlock some sad trauma of high school. But let's, hold on. It was like, what was it? Oh my god, what was it? I just fucking thought of it. Oh my god, what is it? I'm turning off the camera to literally think. I will be back in a moment. I will be so honest. If you want to believe that I was lying on the ground face down, trying to remember the Pythagorean theorem, if you believe me, thank you. If not, totally cool. But I don't know. And that's why I dropped out of school. I don't know. It's like, oh my god. So, I know what it looks like. It's like, for a equals b squared. It looks like number minus something like that. It's something like that. Oh my god, I don't know. Because it's not this. This is, I don't know what that is. I know it's a formula. I don't know what the formula is for. And you know what is the bottom line of this video? If you like threw me in, I took a class when I was in school called Navigating New York, because I used to live an hour out from New York City. And basically they would teach us how to take the subway and understand about the LIRR and different types of trains and stuff like that. If you threw me anywhere in New York City, I guarantee you I know how to get the fuck back to at least Penn. That's useful. That's fucking useful. I live in Texas, so it's not super useful to me now. But like, what the hell is this? Fuck, and I know I sound like a broken record and everyone's been talking about how math isn't, you don't need it. Like, you need math. Like, I probably have to do math multiple times, maybe like 2 or 3 times a day, just to get like estimates for prices of like this, that, and the third, whatever. But like, I'm not finding the right angle of a triangle. Like, the most someone asked me was that question, right? That one question we've all gotten that was like, well, I need a fence that's this big. Y'all sell this item. How many of that item would I need to make my fence? And I was just like, oh my god, it was so funny. Anyway, I don't know. Just one last final memory of schooling. Shout out Mr. Hempel. Shout out Mr. fucking Hempel. For one of my final exams in, what year was Hurricane Sandy? That was my 10th grade. In 10th grade, one of my finals, we had to read a book. And as I've told y'all before, I just can't read, like, genuinely. So, Mr. Hemp, on the essay part of the paper, I wrote, I didn't read the book, enjoy the rest of your summer. Gave me a C. And I was like, okay. I had him second fucking period, and he made us do jumping jacks in an English classroom. He was crazy. But thank you for that, Mr. Hempel. Anyway, fuck the math. Like, fuck all this. I'm gonna find a way to recycle this card direction paper because I feel shitty wasting it. But, I'm never doing anything like this again. I fucking hated this video and now I'm mad. So, I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.